I feel like I'm looking very fall, and then my setup, not so much, but blush pink is my accent color in this room, and I don't regret that because, well, I mean, maybe I am for like a split second just because it doesn't go with the fall aesthetic. I do very much love this room. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be talking about fall things. I am going to show you guys a little fall haul, if you will. If you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. I am already toasty, low-key, a little bit regretting my decision of wearing this sweater because I turned off the air, you guys. Reminder, I live in Florida, so you don't hear the air in the background. So I'm going to start out with some clothes that I got from Target. And there for a second, I was like, man, usually I don't get too much in the fall mood. Why am I in the fall mood? And then I was like, oh yes, because it feels like fall. For those of you who missed out, I will link the video for you guys, but still watch this one if you want. You can watch that one. You can watch both of them, I recently went to Colorado and I just did a little chit chat, get ready with me talking about that. Very much enjoyed my experience there. Very much felt like fall. Although it's kind of cool here in, it's not like overly hot here in Florida either, but it was nice to experience fall, see some more of the leaves changing and that kind of thing. It was very, very cool. Very thankful that I was able to go. Make sure you check out that video. But yes, so there was a Target very near the hotel that we stayed at. So I walked to Target and I got some fall things. Actually, I said I was going to start with some clothes, but first off, I'm going to start off with this little pumpkin, which is so cute. He was only $1, and because I could see myself forgetting him. So that's the first fall themed item. Now let's get into this tank top that I've already worn a couple times. By a couple times, more than a couple times, because I was also for sure wearing it in the Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. This is a very fall color. Obviously, I like this color because it is basically the same color of the cardigan that I'm currently wearing that I already owned. But yeah, this tank top was only $5. It's from the brand A New Day. Very, very cute, comfortable, soft. I wore this whenever, one of the times that I wore this was to Garden of the Gods, which is in Colorado Springs. Once again, I talk about my trip in my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. Make sure to check it out. So yeah, super cute. Loved how affordable this was. The next thing was this dress, which I was iffy about, and I'm so glad that I tried it on because it's actually super cute on. But the shape of the dress, I was like not sure how it was gonna look on. It's from the brand Knox Rose. So yeah, also from Target. I think that this was $30. I haven't worn this yet, but once again, super, super, super cute. Love the color. And another little fall dress. Was very happy about this. So yeah, next thing I got at Target were these shoes. Also fall colored. I think that they're pretty cute as well. Only thing is these aren't as comfortable as another similar style shoe from a different brand that I have. I'm not sure exactly what brand it is. But yeah, these don't stay on as well. But I think also an issue is the other brand that I have is a half size bigger, and I think that would make a big difference. But they didn't have that, and also I didn't have shoes like this, and I wanted them on my trip. So was it an impulse buy? Perhaps, but hopefully I can still get somewhere out of this. I'm just not sure if I could wear these shoes all day, which I know isn't super practical, but this is another item that I got for at Target that day. And then you guys, this was a very successful Target trip because I also got this bag. Super cute. Like, how adorable is this? So I have a black backpack also from Target. I think I have shared in a different haul. So this one to me is more fall with this color, but I mean, obviously I can use this other times, not just fall. I think that this was $28, and I like how big it is. It fits more than my black one. But yeah, and I also just think it's so, so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. I brought this also with me for Garden of the Gods. It fits water bottles in here. Yeah, very happy. I mean, my black backpack, I can put a water bottle or two in. It's just, it doesn't fit as many things easily. So very, very pleased with this purchase. Has a little side zipper pouch in the front. And yeah, overall, I just think it's super cute. I did also go to Goodwill while I was out there, and this isn't necessarily like a fall exclusive thing, but I did get a pair of jeans from the brand's Lucky brand. I can't remember how much I paid for these, but I want to say maybe like $7. I haven't tried them on yet, hoping that they fit. If not, it's not like I paid a lot for these, and you know, I guess I will donate them if they don't fit, but hoping that they do. But yeah, just like kind of like a pretty, like a semi-dark wash. I feel like I might have a pair similar to this, but I don't get jeans like that often, like too often. But yeah, hoping that these fit, and I got a pair of jeans. I did also get some food from Target, but obviously, you know, we already ate that. I got some, I don't know if they were like pumpkin spice cookies, if that was the exact name. Oh wait, no, it was like a pumpkin cookie with cream cheese or like cheesecake filling, cream cheese filling, delicious. And then I also got some salted caramel pretzels. I would say I liked the pumpkin cookies more than the salted caramel pretzels because I don't know how much like salted caramel-y they tasted, but they were still good. I still ate them. And then I also got some strawberries, also got a salad, you know, some different like grocery kind of items. So that was Target. Then Trader Joe's, let's talk about it. So Trader Joe's happened. Where I live, there's not a Trader Joe's nearby. So whenever I was in Alabama, I got one of these and I loved it. So the fact that we went to Trader Joe's in Denver, and I already like this, like clearly I'm gonna get more than one. And I'm just glad that it made it work and that it fit in my suitcase, because that's another thing with flying. I'm used to like driving places. So obviously there aren't as many like, there's not like certain like weight limit, that kind of thing. But yeah, I was very, very happy to get to pick some of these up. And that is mostly what I got from Trader Joe's. That's the things that I was most excited about. While I have you here, I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got from my FabFitFun. I have already taken some of them out, but yeah. So I have, you know, already opened this, but you know, this is a fall video. So I got this Necessaire, that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. This is the body wash in the shade Eucalyptus. I already took this off because I wanted to smell it, I think. Or it doesn't smell overly powerful, but obviously like whenever you're actually using it, oh good, it's plastic. I was hoping it wasn't glass, because I also did get a face wash that is glass. So I'm a little, not concerned, I'm like aware of it. This is also glass, but this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. But like, look at this bottle, so pretty. Yeah, once again, this is from the Glow Recipe. Way too heavy, like I was not gonna fly with this. I haven't used this yet. Another thing that I got was this Glossier Birthday Balm.com. I thought I picked something different, but maybe I was out of stock. Either way, I will definitely be using a lip balm. I use lip balm, you know, every day. So it won't be wasted. I'll say that. I feel like I picked something else. I got some pumpkin, this is from the brand Black, Pumpkin Fresh Peepers. These are under eye masks or eye masks. It comes in a set of 5. I've already used, I guess 2. Or I know I've already used 1. I'm not sure if like another one is in my bathroom still. Yeah, they come in these little containers like this. Maybe I have used 2. Either way, doesn't matter. That's another thing that I got in my FabFitFun. And that's what I have in here to show you. I know that this was a little bit of a shorter haul, but I hope you still liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really, 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 really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video.